Hi fashion buddies, welcome back to Couture Crave. If you are new, click subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our awesome updates. Today we are talking about super comfortable and stylish shoes for women. These shoes are not only trendy but also lightweight and extra soft. Your feet are in for a treat. We have got shoes for every occasion, casual, semi-casual, regular and party wear. Need fancy heels for a party? We got it. Looking for comfy and comfortable shoes? So this video is only for you. Lots of choices here with different designs and colors. Stick around till the end to see them all. If you love what you see, share this video with your pets. Let them know about these awesome and comfy shoes. Now tell me which shoes are your top pick. Comment below and let's chat about it. Here are some mule shoes. Mule or half shoes for women are a trendy and comfy choice for your feet. These shoes are easy to slip on and off, making them super convenient. They usually have an open back design, leaving the heel exposed. Mules come in various styles, from casual to a bit fancier, making them perfect to different occasions. Whether you are leading to a party or just running errands, mule shoes can add a touch of style and comfort to your look. Plus, with so many cute designs and colors available, you can find the perfect pair to match your outfit. Give your feet a break with these stylish and easy to wear mule shoes. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn about how to choose a perfect pair of mule or half shoes for women, because they are now in trend and they are also very comfortable and easy to wear. That is it for our shoe showcase today. Stay stylish, stay comfy, and keep rocking those amazing shoes. Couture Crave out.